Now I'm going to increase it to 0.5. Now the efficacy, I expect it to increase now because I'm flowing more carbon monoxide. Let's see how far higher it goes at 0.5 liters per minute. So the filtration is obviously a function of flow rate because the filter media and the contact to the carbon monoxide molecules is less because we're flowing more gas per second per minute. Therefore, it doesn't get a chance to absorb the carbon monoxide molecules. So therefore, I expect a higher carbon monoxide to pass through the filter. There you go, folks. 38 parts per million.